Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Chef Stini, back with another one. Today we are on an epic quest, a mission for the ages, right here in the heart of Miami. We're counting down the top 5 crispiest, juiciest, most insane Korean fried chicken spots this city's got. And let me tell you, the number 1 spot? It ain't what you think. It's so mind-blowingly crispy. The sound alone is gonna make you want to smash that subscribe button. Forget everything you thought you knew. Over the next 10 minutes, big name chains, local heroes, I'm breaking down the crunch, the flavor, the price, everything you need to know. Do me a solid, hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and buckle up. This ride's about to go off the rails. We start with a household name and end with a local legend that'll change your life. I ate more chicken than I care to admit to crown the champion of crunch. We're talking crispiness that echoes in your soul. Are you ready? Is your stomach ready? Because we're diving in right now. Let's get this show on the road. First spot, a place that started a revolution. Let's go. All right, coming in at number 5, we got the OG, Bonchon. Yes, Bonchon. You had it right. You can't talk K-chicken without showing love. Started in Busan in 2002 and blew up worldwide. Their thing is the double fry, paper-thin, crackly skin that shatters. Not a heavy batter, a delicate shell. Clean, sharp crunch you can hear from across the table. Signature flavors? Soy garlic. Salty sweet, savory, dangerously addicting. Hand-brushed, glossy, never soggy. Then the spicy. Real kick, slow burn from gochugaru. Lips tingle, nose runs, you still reach for another. Miami's got a few, like Doral. Modern, clean, always buzzin'. Friends, date night, solo smash. It all works. Price-wise, premium, fast casual, about 15 to 20 for a small combo with pickled radish. Don't skip the radish. Rookie mistake. Bonchon set the standard. Reliable texture, consistent flavor. The benchmark for classic Korean fried chicken. It's crispy, flavorful, dependable, a rock-solid number 5. But trust me, the crunch only gets crazier from here. On to number 4. Alright, sliding into number 4, our second spot, the Pelicana. Since 1982 with thousands of locations, older, cooler, energy abound. They double fry too, decades of reps, and you can taste the history. What sets them apart? Variety, original crispy, yangnyeom, wasabi tasting, honey garlic, smoky hot chili. The list goes on. Miami spot brings the vibe. K-pop, bright, fun. Combos let you mix and match, half and half whole chickens. First fry, low temp cooks it through, rest. Then second fry, high temp shock. Result? A sturdier crunch that holds up, even drenched in sticky yangnyeom. Bite sequence, crunch. Thick sauce, juicy meat. That's the experience. Wings, boneless, classic sides. Roll deep with your crew and share a massive platter. Solid value, similar to Bonchon. Big time flavor range plus crunch. Why number 4? Flavor variety monster with sauce-ready crunch, a powerhouse. But Miami's fierce. 3 more spots to go. Let's keep it moving. Cracking our top 3, our third spot. A fundamental truth, fried chicken and beer are a match made in heaven. Say hello to gammy chicken and beer. Yes, you heard that right. Built on chimek, chicken plus mekju. Not just food, a whole vibe. Order too much, wash it down cold. Different beast, proprietary batter, 17 herb blend, flavor before sauce. Thicker, more robust crust, audible, deep crunch. This chicken stands up to a night of drinking. Sweet chili, soy garlic. And the one you gotta try? Gamey spicy, smoky, slightly sweet, dangerously addicting. Feeling brave? Ask for gochu, heat to 11. Order a whole chicken, you get a whole chicken. 17 pieces, steaming, golden, a statement on the table. Dim industrial chic, long communal tables, chatter, clinks, crunch. Korean beers like Cass, Height, plus local crafts. A crisp lager is the perfect wingman. Higher ticket, 30 plus for a whole bird, but feeds 3 or 4. Per person value hits. High is uniquely herby at sport number 3. It is a mega crunchy batter, killer sauces, A+ chimac night out. But we're chasing the single crispiest bite, and 2 spots might edge it. All right, folks, big leagues. Number 2, our 4th spot, the legend, Kyo-chan. If Bonchan's the pop star and the Pelicana the versatile artist, Kyo-chan is the master sensei. Philosophy is purity over gimmicks. Smaller, younger chickens, tender, flavorful meat, double fried to an almost translucent skin, impossibly thin, shatteringly crisp, a delicate, refined crunch. Original series, soy garlic umami. Red series, clean, potent Korean chili heat. Honey series, light brush of natural honey. It's sweet, it's savory, it's crispy, it's juicy, balanced to perfection. Never frozen, always fresh. No MSG. Cooked to order, takes longer. Absolutely worth it. In Miami, it can feel like a hidden gem. Understated room, all eyes on the chicken. Premium product, premium price. The treat yourself, chicken. Number 2 with an otherworldly, ethereal crisp. Commitment to quality, undeniable. But there's one local hero left, and its crunch? It's seismic. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. The crispiest, most mind-blowing Korean fried chicken spot in Miami is CKO, Crispy Korean Oil, our final and 5th spot. Local, independent, tucked away. A family passion project that lives and breathes fried chicken. Their secret's in the name, the oil. Custom blend, temperatures dialed with surgical precision. Unique 3-step frying process. Yes, 3. It's insane, and it changes everything. The crust is beyond crispy, cratered, tectonic, like the lunar surface. Signature dish, the OG crunch. No sauce on top, sauces on the side. Owner insists the first bite is naked. Batters seasoned, garlic powder, onion powder, maybe a kiss of white pepper, plus a secret I can't place. Hear that? That's not a sound effect. That's a real CKO bite. Thick but airy, pocketed and light. It shatters into a million pieces. Inside stays impossibly juicy. It steams when you pull it, meat sliding off the bone. Small, humble, maybe 6 tables. Owner greets you, watches every order, feels like home. Value's incredible. Cheaper than most chains, huge portions, tornado fries dusted with cheese. CKO is number 1. Tectonic crunch, 3-step craft, passion, price. It defines crispy. Alright, let's recap the journey across Miami Korean chicken spots. Number 5, Bonchan, reliable classic. Number 4, the Pelicana, variety and sauce-proof crunch. Number 3, the Gami, 17 herb batter and chimac vibes. Number 2, the Kyo-chan, the master sensei. And number 1, CKO, the local legend with the loudest crunch in Miami. Addresses and links are in the description. If you enjoyed this, smash like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next food run. Tell me your favorite spot or the hidden gem I missed. What's next? Pizza, tacos, best burger in Miami? Your comments decide. Thanks for watching, stay hungry, and I'll see you in the next one.